Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change lock pin in MetaTrader 4. To change lock pin in MetaTrader 4, first of all open the MetaTrader 4 application on your mobile device. Go ahead and log into your account like you normally do and then tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, after opening up the settings menu, go ahead and scroll all the way down and tap on settings once again. Now, toggle off the button right next to lock screen. Enter your current PIN and then you will see an option where it says change PIN. Tap on change PIN and enter a new 4 digits PIN you would like to change to. Repeat the PIN once again to confirm, and that is how you change your lock PIN in MetaTrader 4 application using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.